Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show how I made this simple chicken steam roast recipe in a pressure cooker. This takes only 30 minutes to marinate and 20 minutes to cook. I hope you love this recipe of mine, so keep watching till the end. To marinate the chicken, I'm taking half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoonful of freshly ground ginger garlic paste, 4 tablespoons of thick curd, one teaspoon of chaat masala powder, salt to taste, 2 pinch of red food color, juice of half a lemon. Now give all this a good mix until a thick marinade is formed. Now you can see a thick marinade is ready to coat the chicken. Here I have taken 1 kilo of biryani cut chicken, to which I am applying deep cuts. Now coat the chicken well with the marinade and do not forget to apply it deep within the cuts. Now the chicken is well coated with the marinade. I am going to allow it to rest for minimum 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I am going to heat 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in a pressure cooker. Here I am using a non-stick pressure cooker. Now layer the chicken pieces one by one, making sure all the chicken pieces touch to the bottom of the cooker. I'm going to add the leftover marinade over the chicken pieces. Do remember not to add any water into this dish. Once done, cover the cooker with the lid and the whistle and make sure to cook this on medium flame for 20 minutes. Here you will not hear the whistle from the cooker and the chicken will cook in its own juices. After 20 minutes and the pressure is released, I am going to open the lid. Our chicken has released all its juices and is cooked well, so soft and tender and breaks easily. Now I have to absorb or evaporate all these juices. So I'm adding a tablespoon of soya sauce, which is completely optional. I love the color, so I'm adding it. Now make sure to absorb all the juices on high flame. Takes around 3 to 5 minutes. Now you can see all the juices have absorbed and chicken has got that nice roast color all around the piece. This is my simple way of making a chicken steam roast in pressure cooker. Do garnish this with lemon juice and serve this along with any salad you like. Goes well as a starter and also can be served as a side for lunch and dinner. I hope you like this simple steam roast recipe of mine. Do give this recipe and share your valuable experience in the comment section below this video. If you did like this video, give this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for another video coming soon. Until then, take care, stay safe, stay blessed.